Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you using the new Mary Kay mascara. Everyone wanted to see a review and I will do that in a future video, but today I want to show you how I use the Lash Intensity mascara. Now this one has a very special wand. It's a very, spiky. It does have quite a few, and but there's only one side that it has like a little empty area, and that is the area that I'm going to use to apply the mascara. Why are you asking? Well, it's because I have very short lashes, and if I use the spiky part of the mascara, it's going to be clumpy and it's going to make, it's just going to ruin my makeup. It's really, I can't do it. So make sure that you clean the wand. And again, I'm going to use the area of the wand that doesn't have any bristles. So I'm going to use the ones by that little empty area. So I'm going to again use that part and I'm going to brush it upwards. Again, this mascara does have quite a bit of product once you first apply it, so make sure that at least the first layer you do it with the area that it's missing the bristle, so you can use both sides of that little empty area. So just make sure that you do it on both sides, take your time, and that way you can kind of separate the lashes as you are applying the mascara. If you get any smudges, don't worry about it. Do not clean it right away. You just have to wait until they dry, so that way you will avoid smudging your eyeshadow. In this case, I don't have that much because it's the no makeup look that I share with you guys today. Yesterday for you. So just make sure that you wait. I'm also applying it in the bottom lashes. I wouldn't recommend it if you have the Lash Love Waterproof. That is the one that I use always in my bottom lashes. But since people wanted to know how to apply it, I wanted to show you that yes, in fact, you can use it in the lower lash line, even if you have small eyes, but it's just not going to be the same as, a precision of the Lash Love mascara. So you can see that is one layer. I am waiting for it to dry so I can remove it with a Q-tip, the smudge that I have in my eyes, or the smudges that I have in my eyes. So that is just with one layer. It's something very simple, something very girly. It will help keep your lashes up, but then if you want to do more because you want it to be more dramatic, make sure that you clean your wand into the mascara, and that way you don't have excess product. And then pretty much you're going to do the same thing. I'm using still the area of the wand that it doesn't have a lot of bristles. It's like a little empty area. So what it does is that uses the bristles that it's on one side and then the other side. So it's perfect for me that I have small eyes and I don't really have to use that many bristles in order to create the idea of more lashes or to make them longer. So once we had the first layer that define and kind of lengthen the lashes, right now what I'm trying is to build the volume, so that's why I'm paying extra attention to the root area. That way it will give you more of an impression of fake lashes, how it looks very dark in the roots. So again, I'm concentrating there and just trying to keep them upwards. So I'm going until the tips. Then I'm going to remove all the smudges. If I had a lot of eyeshadow, I would do the same. Maybe I would be a little bit more careful. Then I'm going to do one more just in case that some of the lashes went down, and that is pretty much it. Those are about 3 layers of mascara. I'm taking my time, using the part that is missing the bristles, and just making sure that I define the lashes before I start to create more volume. So for me, this is the best way to apply it without any primer or anything. But in a future video, I'm going to show you with a primer the difference that it makes. So I hope that this was helpful, that I answered some of the questions on how I use it. And by the way, my left eye, it has a shorter lashes because I burned them off completely with a stove. So fun fact. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.